Hi everyone, it's Robin, and I'm going to do a long nail with no water marbling. I tried to do one, and the way that my camera is now set up, it was difficult, and I got my hand in the way again. And so I am going to go in again and hopefully keep my hand out of the way. I'm going to go in with black, my second coat, make it nice and liberal. And this is for long nails, so you have to be faster. Have all your polishes out. I have yellow, black, and white with a little bit of glitter. So I'm going in with the yellow, then white, orange, white, and then I'm going to go and take my wand brush that you get at robinmosesnailart.com and then start making S's. S, 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 down. Then I want to take and pull around, pull around, pull around, pull up. You can't do this on a real person as well as you can on a practice hand. So you really want to learn your technique down in this area and keep your cuticle area free of any problems, because when you work with a real client, everything changes. So I'm taking off the excess with my finger. I'm pushing up onto the nail and pulling off. Pushing up to the nail, pulling off. Now that is finished. I'm going to take some glitter and fill in any gaps or weird problems that I might have had. Cover up all the problems I don't want to see. Make everything really pretty. If you're having problems in the cuticle, you'd want to glitter around there. And just make sure that you get all of the dips and divots in with the glitter. Now, for those of you guys who say, how long does this take to dry? Because I put my finger down and took all the excess off, it takes all the extra polish that I used off as well. So there you have it. And I top coat. I'm using a Dazzle Dry top coat. Whoa! This might be like a little yellow. I'm messing around with being in the shop again and with my camera colors and stuff. So anyways, you want to top coat in layers until you get everything nice and smooth. Make sure your brush is wiped. Make sure any like loose ends you might have got were wiped off and away. See how I made that all better? And there you have it. No water marble nail for long nails.